Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group YouTube channel. My name is Michael Edward Barinati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. And in case you didn't know, we were a Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool in 2023. And we are also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures trading. We day trade, we swing trade. We also cover long-term investing. There's literally something for everybody here at True Trading Group. Why should you listen to anything it is that I have to say on this channel? Very simply put, I didn't figure this out by watching YouTube videos or by sitting in Discord chats. I began my trading career over 17 years ago working for T3 Alpha Fund, my first job right out of college in New York City, where they had me go through an educational training program before they let me touch $1 of the fund's money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash. But it's also the same year I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from 115 different countries reach their goals. Okay, so for those of you that are new to the channel, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Make sure you never miss out on these video recaps that I do or the live streams that I do. I go live on this YouTube channel every single week, like 5-6 times a week. We usually go live on this YouTube channel, and I'm going to be going live on Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, right here on the same YouTube channel, where I'm going to go over with you my top trade ideas for the week, and we're going to talk about earnings. Next week starts all your big mega cap earnings. You've got Alphabet coming. You've got all the big mega tech names, right? Alphabet's coming up. You got Microsoft coming up, Meta, Amazon. All of these earnings are right around the corner. So we're going to talk about what we expect from those companies' earnings reports. And as the market makes a new all-time high today, yes, today, new all-time high for this market. It's just absolutely unbelievable, the rally that we have experienced. And it's funny because not too long ago, people were running around with their pants on fire, talking about the end of days and never mind a recession, but we're talking about a depression. And, you know, members of True Trading Group and myself, we really stayed strong. And we did a lot of buying in the long-term portfolio in 2022. And my goodness, I am sure damn glad that we did. And you guys, I mean, listen, if you're new to the channel, you're not going to know any of this. But if you were watching my YouTube channels back in 2022, I notified everybody every time that I was adding to my long-term portfolio. And I added to my long-term portfolio when the SPY got into the 380s. And then again, when the SPY dropped into the 360s. So these are the two big chunks where we put money to work. And you can see where the market is now today. You can see where the SPY is now today. I mean, the names that we were able to capitalize, the names that we were able to grab, and the names that we were able to capitalize on, guys, they're all making new all-time highs. I mean, you talk about NVIDIA, AMD, Broadcom, Microsoft, ISRG, take a look at Costco, Palo Alto, right? I mean, these are all stocks that are just sitting up here at new all-time high. I don't know if I said Microsoft already. Meta is $1 off of its all-time high, or actually, nope. Did they actually make a new all-time high today? We're right at all-time highs there for Meta as well. These are all the stocks that we were adding in our long-term portfolio back in 2022. And it's just been an unbelievable rally as I'm sitting here watching us make new all-time highs. Now, making new all-time highs going into earnings is a little bit kind of, a little because you run the risk of a disappointing earnings would then cause a serious profit take in the markets. But we have to see what the earnings actually come in at. So do not fight this trend. Do not fight the bull. We are in a bull market. Do not fight it until you actually get a reason for that sentiment to change. And a reason for that sentiment to change would be a disappointing earnings announcement from the big mega cap tech names. Right now, this market movement that you're seeing across the board in your mega cap tech names is telling you very plainly and straightforward that the expectations of these tech earnings are very, very high. And speaking of the expectations of tech earnings, number one trade idea for us today in True Trading Group was SMCI long. And the reason for this today is What I teach our members is a technical setup that coincides with the fundamental catalyst. When you have a fundamental catalyst that lines up with a technical pattern, that is the highest probability of trade that you can possibly put yourself in as a trader. That's what we look for. Trading is all about pattern recognition and probability. You want to identify the highest probability of situations in the market, put yourself on the right side of that probability, maintain good risk reward, and let the trade work itself through. SMCI today was a prime example of that. Now, SMCI today, first of all, it's a semiconductor stock, all right? It's that semiconductor area, it's that semiconductor sector of the market. And what you've seen is intense strength across the board in that area of the market. AMD all-time high, Broadcom all-time high, NVIDIA all-time high. Now you have SMCI comes out today, and SMCI makes an announcement. That announcement this morning was that they are revising their guidance going forward. That last time this company put out earnings, they gave guidance. They said, this is what we expect our revenue to be. This is what we think our earnings per share is going to be. And then what happens today is the company goes, actually, we're going to destroy that guidance that we gave you guys before. We're going to destroy that guidance. They gave you new guidance. They gave you their new revenue expectations. They gave you their new earnings per share expectations, and they were substantially higher than what the expectations were previously. That caused the stock to gap up. So right there, you have a fundamental catalyst, a reason why buyers would come into the stock. But then you also have a technical catalyst as well, a technical setup. And it was a beautiful cup and handle pattern. Here's your move up, right? And then you guys can see here is your cup, here's your handle, and there's your breakout. This is a textbook cup and handle chart pattern mixed and combined with a fundamental catalyst. And those are the highest probability of setups that you can possibly find in the markets. And that's why this was number one trade idea for us today. And I got to tell you, depending on where members got off this train, you're talking 350 to 500% gain for members today on call options. Now, these weren't call options that were purchased yesterday. There was no way anyone could have known the company was going to make this announcement. This is just today. This is entering the trade today and exiting the trade in 1 hour. Listen to me very carefully what I just said. This is a trade where members got up to a 500% gain in 1 hour. Now, is that normal? No. Okay, is it normal? Do we do that every single day? No. Should you expect that every single day? Also no. But this is the opportunity that is in this market as we are breaking out to all-time highs. As you have technology stocks, large cap stocks that are making moves that are equivalent to small caps. SMCI is a large cap company. It is up 37% in 1 day. Are you kidding me? 37%? That's typically what you see from some $5 biotech small cap that came out with some kind of positive news about a phase 2 clinical trial. 37% gain on SMCI, on a $400 stock. You understand how insane of a move this is? Then you take a look at a stock like AMD. Okay, another large cap's coming. Do you see the stock in 2 weeks has gone from 135 to 175? You realize that NVIDIA in 2 weeks has gone from $470 to $600 in 2 weeks? You're talking $1 trillion company that is making that type of a move. Hell, it's up 4% just in 1 day. This is the opportunities that are in this market. And this is why I continue to explain to you guys on this channel that if you are still sitting on the sidelines, if you still think that you can't do this because you have a full-time job, you are doing such a massive disservice to yourself and your family, because this is what you are missing. A 500% gain in 1 hour. This is one of the craziest daily candles I've ever seen on a chart. It's the biggest day SMCI has ever had. It's the biggest up move it's ever had in 1 day, 36% in 1 day. It's the biggest volume day. You see the volume bar down here, biggest volume day that the stock has ever had. I mean, this stock has just absolutely exploded to levels that anybody know. I mean, guys, you go back to 2019, this stock was $15. In 2020, it was $20. It's now $425. It doesn't get much better than that. Okay. And this was all about breaking through, your all-time high. And before you had today's crazy action, let's actually zoom it in. Before we get to today's crazy action, here's your resistance level, right? Here is your resistance level on SMCI. It's your all-time high, okay? Right here. There it is. There's your resistance level. And that lines up with daily chart. That line, this is the same line. Here it is, right? There's resistance. There's resistance. That is your all-time high. So if you break above that level, that's it. It's gone. There's no other resistance in sight. So right off the bat, you can see we gapped up, pushed through it, and that was it. Right here, members start buying up call options on SMCI, and this thing just absolutely explodes. And you're looking at a 350 to a 500% gain on those call options as the stock went from $350 all the way to $418 in that first hour of the day. And members just start peeling profits off the table. The stock was moving so high that it was like by the time you put an order out to actually take profits, the stock is already moving another $2, $3, $4, $5 higher. It was one of the craziest moves that I've ever seen, that I've seen on a stock in actually quite a while. And then you had your first little consolidation period, and then it continued higher later into the day and went all the way to $428. So just an unbelievable move in SMCI. Again, a huge congratulations to members of True Trading Group. And again, listen, for those of you that are watching this recap video, I get it. Easy for you to just call bullshit on this and be like, yeah, okay, bro, sure, of course. You guys were in the biggest move of the day. Of course, you're going to say that. And I totally understand the skepticism. And I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. I come on this YouTube channel when I go live. I'm going live on Sunday at 8:30. So make sure you tune in. I give you exactly what I think the market's going to do. I give you my top trade ideas for the week. I put my neck out there. And I have no problem doing that because the moderators and I collectively as a group, remember there's 9 professional traders with you in True Trading Group. We collectively as a group have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions of around 80% now going on roughly the last 4 years. Am I right 100% of the time? Of course not. Nobody is. I'm going to be wrong. I'm going to have red trades. I'm going to have red days. But I'm right a hell of a lot more than I'm wrong. And I have no problem coming out and sticking my neck out there and telling you exactly what I think. And sometimes I'll be wrong. Sometimes I'll be right. But I want you to start experiencing and seeing this for yourself. Don't just take my word for it on this YouTube channel. You shouldn't, really, honestly. Yes, did I work on Wall Street? Yes. Did I receive a Trade of the Year award? Yes. But that doesn't mean that you should just listen to the things I tell you on a YouTube channel. Come and actually experience it and see it for yourself. I invite you to actually join our trial membership. Our trial membership, guys, is 7 trading days. So this means if you join our trial, you can actually be with us for earnings. You're going to get mega cap tech earnings. You can be with us inside chat to trade this with us. Okay. Now, it's 7 trading days. It's not 7 calendar days. So you can join our trial right now today and don't worry, the weekend does not count against your 7 days. So your first day of your trial technically starts on Monday, but you'll have access to the platform as soon as you join, and you can just stay with us for 7 trading days. Okay. So go to ttgthree.com. That's ttg3 spelled out.com. Enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the form, and then pay $3. Now, the reason why we charge $3 is very simple. I just want to make sure that you're a real person and you're serious about this because we maintain a very high quality chat room during the day. There's thousands of people in there all focused on making money. I don't want people coming in there being distracting and spamming a bunch of stuff and being a nuisance while everybody is working hard to make money. By charging you $3, you put in your credit card information. It shows that you're a real person. You're serious about this. It is a one-time payment of $3. We don't do any funny business. And it's like, oh, but if you forget to cancel, you're automatically charged a membership. We don't play games like that. It's a one-time payment of $3. After your 7-day trial is over, you're never charged again. It just expires. Again, there's no reoccurring payment. There's no automatic renewal. There's no automatic upgrade to an annual membership. It's just a one-time fee of $3. I promise it'll be the best damn $3 you've ever spent in your life. You've all spent more than $3 on a cup of coffee. So go to ttgthree.com, enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the form, pay $3, and then get your butts in chat. Now listen, when I say get your butts in chat, that doesn't mean you have to be sitting in front of your computer screen. We have over 10,000 members in True Trading Group from 115 different countries. 82% of them have full-time jobs and work over 40 hours a week. They've got busy schedules. The rest of them are full-time traders or are just retired. The reason why we have so many members that can capitalize on this while working full-time jobs is because of our mobile app. We spent a lot of time and money developing a mobile app. It's available on iPhone and Android that allows you to stay connected to chat, see the screen share, because the moderators and I share our screens with you during the day, so you see what we're looking at. We also talk to you on the microphone, so you know exactly what we're seeing, what we're thinking, and what we're about to do. And then whenever a moderator enters or exits a trade, you get a real-time push notification sent to your cell phone. So this way, if you're at work, you're answering emails or whatever it is, you're working on the project, all of a sudden your phone goes off. You take a look, they just bought call options on SMCI, log into your Webull, Robinhood, Thinkorswim, whatever you have, buy some calls, set a stop loss, put your phone down, go back to work. An hour goes by, another notification, they just took profits, log in, take profits, put your phone down, right? So just download the mobile app when you guys join our trial so you can have access to all of that so you don't miss a beat. It's going to be a big week next week. Market's already at all-time highs. Now you got all the big mega cap tech earnings companies coming up. Get your butts in chat with us. Do not just take my word for it. Experience these trades, experience these type of wins for yourself. Hell, capitalize on some of these trades. Who knows? Maybe you'll make enough money to actually join the membership, right? You'll make enough money maybe in a day or 2 days to just cover your membership and then just join us for the full year. Why not? What do you have to lose? It's $3. Go to ttgthree.com, enter your name, email, phone number. Yes, I want this. Fill out the form. Get your butt in chat. All right, come join myself, 9 other professional traders, and over 10,000 members from 115 different countries as we embark on what is going to be the craziest earnings season that we may have ever had, with the markets at all-time highs and all the hype around AI. This is going to be one of the most volatile, opportunity-filled earnings seasons that I've ever seen. And folks, I've been doing this for over 17 years. I've seen a lot. This is the best damn trading environment I've ever seen. And a 500% gain in 1 hour is proof of that. All right. So if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe to this channel, smash the like button, turn on your notifications. Again, I'm going live on Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. We're going to start to prep for some of those earnings. And I'm going to give you guys top trade ideas for the week, where I see opportunity, what positions I'm going to be getting into, how I plan on making money for myself. And you can take that information, do whatever you want with it. But then join the trial, ttgthree.com. Get your butts in chat. I'll see you guys all next week. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Congratulations, all of my members, on a monster of a week. I'll see you guys all next week. Take care.